This is Days of Elijah in the key of G. It's a really fun, fast-paced one, so have a lot of fun with this one. In the key of G, we have some main chords, and as always, stop the video right now, click on the description below because I have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. All right, in the key of G, we have three main chords, G, C, D, and then in this song, we have an E minor and a B minor. Pretty simple. G chord starts out with G, B, D. C chord, C, E, G. D chord is D, F sharp, A. Makes this triangle shape. And then we have our B minor, B, D, F sharp, kind of makes this curve line. B, D, F sharp. And then we have an E minor, E, G, B. And then our A minor, A, C, E. So let's just review those chords. G, C, up one to the D, triangle, and then we have our B minor, then we have our E minor, and then our A minor. All right, when our right hand is playing chords, our left hand's just gonna put, you can put pinky on G there, play a single note with our chord up here, okay? Then we can do C note with C and C up here, D down here. Then we can do B minor with B in the bass, E minor, E. All you have to do is open your thumb here to play that E, and then our A minor with A in the bass, okay? The rhythm that we're going to do to bring the two hands together is pretty simple. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. You could bring that together like, these are the days of Elijah. C there. D, G, sorry, declaring is declaring the D, word of the G. And these are the days of your C chord here, servant Moses. G chord, righteousness, D, being back to the G, stored. Okay, here's that B minor. And though these are days of great, E minor, trials, together, right, of A minor, darkness and sword. And still we are the voice in the C chord here, desert, crying, G chord, prepare ye the D, way of the G, Lord. All right, then the chorus goes G, C, G, D. G, C, G, D. Pretty simple. We don't have to do any minors in the chorus. Behold, he comes, riding on the C chord here. Clouds shining like the sun. At the trumpet call, lift your voice. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. All right, verse 2 repeats verse 1, so nothing new there. Bridge is super simple. We're going through G, C, G, D. There's no God, let's see. There is no God like Jehovah. Move to the C. There is no God like Jehovah. G. There is no God like Jehovah. D. There is no God like Jehovah. And you could just repeat that and kind of build up some anticipation because that one kind of builds and then kind of loop back to the chorus. Super fun one. So I'm going to play this beginning to end. You can always go back if you need a little bit of help following through the chords. Otherwise, let's jam out with this one. These are the days of Elijah, declaring the word of dry bones become